A rock coming from nowhere broke my passenger side rear view mirror. So, another video on how to replace the mirror. As usual, the dealership charges an arm and a leg for genuine parts. Well, I have an idea. Why don't we go on to eBay and look for the similar items that's available? Oh, this one looks pretty good. Aftermarket mirror. Looks like it's got the right size, and also it's even got the vertical lines that separates the convex area so I can see further at the edge of my view. This is pretty good. I checked out also the back of the mirror. Well, you can have a look. It's even got heated contact points. Although my car doesn't have a heated mirror, this item actually supports that. There's this pivot point in the middle. It's like a little ball joint. If you're familiar with camera tripods, there's something called a ball head, which just looks like that. On the right hand side in the bottom, there are two smaller ball heads there to connect with the motor that controls the motion of the mirror. So when you talk about electric mirror, the one on the right hand side can shift the mirror left and right, and the one on bottom can turn the mirror up and down. So that's how powered mirror works. It all looks very positive, even with the heated pad, which supports some of the more luxurious type of the vehicle that has heated mirror. So here we go. Here's me using a screwdriver trying to pry off the old broken mirror from the bottom. My camera angle isn't the best, but you get the idea. I slide the screwdriver in and try to pry it out. There's not much technique involved. Just be a little gentle so that we don't accidentally break any plastic parts. And here's the new mirror that I received by post. Just gonna line up the middle part and also the two motors. You can see on the camera the center ball joint is black, the two sides is white. Tips. There are a few ways to screw up the installation. First of all, if you have heated mirror, just have a look and see the location of the heated mirror part. Of the heat pad connection part is towards the outside of the mirror. So the installation manual gives us a clue that when we try to pry off the old mirror, try to press in the outside, which is the area A, so that area B moves outwards. Now I think the very reason for that is that those electrical wire connection of the heat pad is located towards the outside. So when you try to pry out the mirror, you don't want to accidentally break the electric cords or electric wire that connects to these little two pads. Something to note if your car has heated mirror function. The second point is when you're pressing the new mirror, try to align pin A, which is the middle, and also pin B, which is the side. So start from the middle ball joint. Once you press that in, you can press in the two little motors that controls the motion of the mirror. I think the sequence sort of matters because it just helps you align everything better. Once you've pushed in the three joints, the mirror is essentially installed. Now, if you have the heated mirror connection, make sure you put on the connector first before you press in those three joints. Otherwise, there will be no room for you to do that afterwards. Alright, that's how you install car side mirrors. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, make sure you leave a comment below. Otherwise, have a good day.